Welcome back to Grandma Cat's Corner featuring Melody Beatty. In every day, there are 1,440 minutes. That means we have 1,440 daily opportunities to make a positive impact. Les Brown. Now, what is going to be your positive impact today? Today, I will solve problems. I will face any problems that are mine and work to seek solutions. I realize that there are always challenges in life, but I know that I have the ability to solve them and grow stronger in the process. The message from Grandma Cat today is we all face problems daily. Some are simple, others are complex. To successfully solve those problems, we need an effective strategy. Although problem-solving strategies don't guarantee a solution, they can help you feel less anxious about problems and make it more likely that you come up with an answer. Now, if you go back to the beginning where I stated that I'm going to face any problem that are mine. I didn't say I was going to deal with your problem, his problem, her problem, their problem. I said my problems, okay? So don't try to dump your issues or your problems on me. I can only deal with my own today, okay? Today is Friday, October the 25th. And God is saying to you today, remember these 4 things. I will make a way for you. I'm fighting your battles. I will provide for you. All you gotta do is trust my timing. You guys have an awesome weekend, and I will see you next Friday. Bye.